Casey babes, it's Casey here. I'm back with another video. Here's a how-to video for juicy twist outs. Okay, so I'm going to start by showing you what products I use. I use a wide tooth comb, I use a dimming brush, I use Pillow Soft Curls, Miss Jessie's curling product. I use BB oil moisturizer. That's my favorite. I definitely highly recommend it for people that are on a low budget and want to save a little bucks. I use Eco Styler gel. I use the flaxseed oil, and I also use the one shown in the video. So here's just a quick tutorial to show you all how I do my twist outs, how I part it. And this is a normal speed video, so this is not a quick video, so this is like a actual time video. So here I'm using a water bottle to spray my hair just to dampen it a little. Making sure your hair is wet while doing a twist out is very important. It's better for parting and detangling your hair. Here I'm showing you my mousse that I use. I forgot to show you all in the beginning of the video. It's my favorite to use for frizziness. It helps for my twist out to not look frizzy, or if I'm doing any bantu knots, any natural styles, I use mousse just to make sure I don't have any frizzy hair while I'm doing my hairstyle. So while you're all watching this video, just pay attention how I part. You can either do a free part or you can do a box part. So it's just all up to you how you want your twist to fall. I recommend both, to be honest, because after you're finished with your twist out, you're basically gonna pick out your hair so that you don't see any parts at all. You just want to make sure that your parts aren't too big. So thank you for watching, guys. Comment down below to let me know what you all would like to see in the comment section down below, and I'll get those videos out to you. Okay, so you want to make sure that when you twist your hair that you do least to greatest. So if you start off with 2, the next row should be 3, and so forth and so on, just so your curls won't lay over each other and that they're not bunched together. So you want to make sure when you're parting, your twists are falling between each other and not on top of each other, and that each time you start a new twist, you do the same thing for each twist, just so the outcome of your twist looks the same to each. And if you ever have a problem with any knots or anything between your twists, make sure that you brush it out. Don't just go over it, because when you take it out, you will definitely feel and see the difference. So when you do twist outs, you want to make sure that you're moisturizing your hair plentiful, because if not, then once you take it out, it might not look like you want it, and the shine that you want might not be there. So you want to make sure that you do the same thing for each twist, and you also want to make sure you're using enough moisturizer and that you're detangling your twist, because that is very important for when you're taking your twist out. So here, guys, you can see that I'm doing the same thing for the second twist that I did with the first twist. I'm using the same moisturizer, detangling my hair, and I'm using mousse. So here you can see that I'm doing basically a circle with my 2 strands of hair, making sure I loop one hand over the other. One hand grabs the hair and the other hand wraps it. So this is important to make sure that your hair does not unravel. So when you get to the end, you want to make sure you pull as tight as possible. Not too tight, but you just want to make sure that your twist does not come out while you're sleeping or while you're doing your daily activity. Another thing I wanted to let you all know that if your part is bigger, you want to make sure that you use more product that you use on your smaller parts, because if not, then your hair won't be moisturized and it won't get the look that you're going for. So the bigger parts will be less shinier than the back parts. So you want to make sure that you use a little bit more product than what you use on your smaller parts, just to make sure that your hair is evenly coated and shiny. Thanks for watching, KC Babes. This was my tutorial for my juicy twist out. Let me know how you all like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you all would like to see more natural hair tutorial videos, please comment down below and let me know what you all would like to see. Comment juicy twist out down below if you all like this video, and please subscribe and like. See you later, KC Babes.